Nah, we won't be back. Last night, my wife and I tried a new, to us, Mexican restaurant because our absolute favorite one, Cabrera's, was destroyed by the tornado that came through Bowling Green last week. Time will tell if we will get to go back to Cabrera's. The owner started a GoFundMe page, if you're able to help him. But because of last night's mediocre meal, we won't be back to the other one for sure. Whether we're talking about minor things, relatively speaking, like the destruction of a home or business, or major things like the death of a loved one, last week's tornado reminds us of the fragile nature of life. Seemingly indestructible things aren't. Vibrant, hope-filled lives are cut off suddenly and with little warning, and they won't be back. Nor will we, for that matter. None of us returns to this earth in this body. But rather than fill us with despair, that should give us hope. Not for mere escape from this world's pain and suffering, but hope for something better. Today's Saturdays in the Psalms on Morning Minutes in the Bible returns to Psalm 16 and the hope of resurrection. There, David's belief in something greater than this earthly existence was expressed as confidence in the Lord. I have set the Lord continually before me. Because he is at my right hand, I will not be shaken. Therefore my heart is glad and my glory rejoices. My flesh also will dwell securely. For you will not abandon my soul to Sheol, the grave, nor will you allow your Holy One to undergo decay. You will make known to me the path of life. In your presence is fullness of joy. In your right hand there are pleasures forever. Psalm 16, verses 8 through 11. Whatever David understood about life after death, he was confident there would be a resurrection to new life. And because Jesus came to fulfill this prophecy, we too can live in hope. Read carefully Peter's first recorded sermon in Acts 2, as well as Paul's in Acts 13. Both staked their hope on the resurrection of Jesus, who did come back. No, not to live here on earth forever, or even 1,000 years as the earthbound premillennialists teach, but to enter heaven in his glorified body. Now he is there, patiently waiting for his saints to join him. No, we won't return to this life. But if you're one who walks by faith, you will get something so much better: eternal life with Jesus. Is that your hope? If so, then live like you believe it. Don't live as if this life is all there is. It isn't, and we all know it. Please, please turn to Jesus and live for life with him in eternity. Thank you for watching Saturdays in the Psalms on Morning Minutes in the Bible. Until next time, this is James McClenny hoping you have a great day.